Hi guys, I have just arrived in Saint-Tropez with Choo, and I'm staying at the most insane hotel I've ever been in my whole entire life. This is my first time in Saint-Tropez and I think they have just gone big. It's crazy. Let me show you guys the room. You walk into this insane room, you guys. Oh my god. Look at what I have. This is all for me. I have a corner. This is the room. I need to show you guys the other side. Oh my god. And it has been raining, like torrential rain. Look how beautiful this is. I have this whole place to myself. Got the sea over there, if you guys can see. And these gifts. Oh my god. I want to open this with you guys, but I also want to do a TikTok. Like, I don't know what to do. I feel so spoiled. Like, I haven't opened this because I really wanted to record first. Let me show you guys the bathroom. I had a bit of a malfunction in the bathroom, like in my suitcase, so I had to wash this. So let's ignore that pile. But how is this just for me? How is this just for me? Look at the bathtub as well. I'm honestly getting so many home inspos. Like, I need to do my bathroom. So I'm looking at all these intricate detailing. Like, I really love this, like wood detailing. I don't even think it's wood. I'm not even sure what it is, but the details in this bathroom is giving me so much inspo. And then you've got the shower here, and it's just me. I have this whole walk-in wardrobe. Now this is giving me inspiration for when I actually get to put up my walk-in. But how stunning is this place? We went to a gifting suite earlier and I picked out some bits, so we'll show you guys in a minute. This is the bathroom, and this is what I wore. I wore it with Uggs, but right now I had to take them off because I've just been outside. I've put on the Uggs so you guys can see like my full look. I was wearing socks, by the way. These Uggs have literally been worn way too many times. I love them, I'm obsessed with them. Obviously not great for the rain, but they have been so comfortable. I picked up these beautiful sunnies. They're like this lovely tortoise shell, stunning. Also picked up these beautiful, delicious heels. You guys, my favorite heels are Jimmy Choo heels. I have them in gold and I have them in black. I have 2 pairs of gold, 1 pair of black. So I'm buzzing to see what's in there because I hope it's one of the pieces that I don't have. But I picked this one. You guys will see when I style it later. You'll see what I mean. It goes really well with this lovely black dress I'm planning on wearing. I'm not a fit model, so don't come for me. But this is how they look like. Do you see what I mean? It's just a little bit wide for me. A little bit. Guys, I've been sat down wanting to wait and I don't think I can wait anymore. I'm gonna open just this one. The rest can wait, but I have to open this one. I've just been sat on my bed like, oh, I really want to know what I have. We're gonna open it together. I know that these are shoes because I have the same exact ones and it came in this packaging. Maybe not the same exact ones. I don't know what shoes are in here. We're gonna find out. Oh my god. That's me being excited, by the way. Oh my god. Okay. Ah! Stop, shut up. Shut up. Shut up. I have just been trying these shoes downstairs. I've just been trying these. I literally have just been trying these downstairs at the gifting suite. Oh my God. And my phone died, so I can't even show you a picture to show you guys how I was actually trying it on. I love these. Oh my God. Now I want to open these. Shall we just open them? Fuck it. Excuse my French. We're going to open it. Oh. Oh my God. Okay. I'm like a little kid in a candy store. Okay, this feels like a bag because it... Shut up! I really wanted one of these. Oh my God, thank you, Jimmy Choo. Oh my God, you guys. You guys. The two of them together. I'm wearing this dress. This is from Commando. We are Commando. And guys, I wore my bag and I have these Jimmy Choo heels from last Christmas. I got them as a gift and they are so comfortable. I thought they went really well with this bag. I put on over this Moss Bros blazer. I feel like this lighting in here is not doing me justice. I feel like you can kind of see it better here. There we go. This is how the dress looks like. It is so chic, like it hugs your body so nicely. This is my favorite Bordeaux dress to wear. Good morning, guys. I woke up early today. I really wanted to get ready and just feel like put together. I feel like yesterday the whole day was just it wasn't rushed. It just felt like there wasn't enough time and I wanted enough time today. So I woke up early and I'm actually so glad. I ended up washing my hair yesterday. As you guys can see, it's a little bit dry but less disheveled as it was yesterday, and I feel like I look better today as well. I went for a smoky eye. I feel like it will go with both my outfits. I'm doing like a daytime outfit and I'm also doing like an evening outfit. Not like, I am doing an evening outfit, so we have to basically shoot that right after breakfast. I'm gonna head down now because I don't want to be too late. I want to get something in my system and then come back and shoot. Your fit is gorge. Thank you. Done. I'm not taking you guys to the pool. This is the pool area. It is very nice, but obviously it is bloody raining, so you can't even jump in the pool. But I finished my shoot. I've done a video and then we've done pictures as well. The hair is not holding up well. I feel like I need to relax my hair because I did a keratin and it is not handling with this weather. Guys, it's actually hilarious. I've placed you guys on a box, but I am straightening my hair again using my GHDs and I have added Silken and Seal. I don't know why I didn't put this before. It's basically a hair protectant and it also silkens your hair. So this is how my hair is looking like compared to how it was. I am trying to do this in 10 minutes because we basically have to be downstairs by 12, ready for lunch. I feel like I have straightened my hair more in this trip than I have when I'm back at home. I don't know what it is. I think it's just like the humidity in the air that's causing all of this, but I don't know what it is. I mean, to be honest, I did wash my hair yesterday, so that never really helps. When you freshly wash your hair, it never really holds, but after you style it a few times, it does the job. Maybe that's the case, I'm not sure. Everyone else is getting ready. Today has been shoot day, so we are just getting videos, shots of the fragrance, and just content. It's content day. We were meant to go to the town, but the weather is terrible, as you guys saw earlier, so they postponed it and we stayed inside. This is how the hair's looking like. So much better, right? Than how it was before. Thank you. Some people are shooting at the beach. Just want to show you guys the vibes. It looks a lot darker, but I think it's because we're facing this side of the sun. We made it out. Guys, I'm trying to find like the best lighting whilst also not looking weird. And people thinking I'm talking about myself, but I decided to wear this dress. This one's from Carrie Millen, and then I'm carrying this bag. You guys are just gonna have to deal with me. I know that the lighting is like up in there, but this one's from ASOS. Dress Carrie Millen, and I'm just waiting for the photographer to call me so that we can get shooting. It's so bright today. How cute is this entrance as well? And my shoes are Jimmy Choo. How lovely is the weather.
Can we do it one more time? Just like a tiny bit higher tempo.
Makeup is still going. I think this is the most proudest I've done my makeup because it's lasted all day. Yesterday when we came, it felt like it was London, and then today it's like a different place. Yeah. Cheers. I'm so knackered. I want to come back and put on a mask. I've got this one from Dr. Jart, and then I've got this one from TikTok Shop, but I feel like I need like something on my face right now. I'm gonna head down for breakfast. It's currently 10 o'clock. It's very late. I'm gonna head down for breakfast, quickly have something to eat, and then come back and get myself together because I know we stayed up till late yesterday. I think I stayed up till 2 o'clock, and the other girls, Kate and Fleur, they stayed up till late. I was like, guys, let's go to bed. They're like, no, we're just gonna continue. It was really fun though. Like, I didn't want to leave, but I knew I was gonna be suffering in the morning. I'm already suffering, so I made the right decision. But let's get some like liquids in my system and some food so that I can be myself again. I'm going to wear these sunnies. These are Jimmy Choo to conceal the madness underneath. place is so stunning. My family, we stayed in Savo Park in Voi in Kenya. If you've never been, it's really stunning, and these trees remind me of that. This whole place is just gorgeous. I think I want to come here for my 30th next year. I want to celebrate it here. It is so tranquil, so relaxing, so aesthetic, and it's such a vibe. It's like, I feel like I'm in the middle of nowhere and I can see the sea. Everything is just perfect. I am definitely coming here for my birthday, mark my words. You see the sea, that's the sea. So stunning, oh my god. Our flight had gotten delayed, but we are now boarding at 9:34. I am gonna close off the vlog here, and I will see you guys in the next one. And I'm with Kate.
I love traveling with you.
Oh, stop.
You kill me, you're so funny. Make one girl vlog that. I hope you're as funny as you are on the vlog as you are in real
I
life.
try to be, or else it would just be like weird clips of me editing. Bye guys!